12-hour stream for me. Yeah, I'll just have to stay on like all day. So that way when you're eventually... Don't worry, you guys. I'm fine. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I'll step away for a second. I also kind of want to get a tissue. Because I'm like, whoa. I just like, I'm totally fine. I hate when that happens because people really analyze it and like make it weird. But it's literally just like I swallow wrong or talk wrong. And then it's like, people go crazy. It's an interesting cough. Yeah, no, it's because I try to like stop myself. I sound kind of slurry. Yeah, it's because like, how do I explain it? I still kind of have like the coffee feeling in my throat a little bit. I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it's normal. I'm fine. But it's just like, yeah, I just like talk wrong. It's like, yikes. I'll be back. I'm gonna kind of just, you know, cough, do what I gotta do. I think I'm just gonna like, you know, get a tissue and some stuff. And just kind of like, yeah. So I'll be right back. I won't be too long, don't worry. How's chat been while I've been gone? Yeah, I'm totally fine. I just like, yeah. Sometimes like, I just have that happen. I had you worried? No, don't worry, I'm fine. No, you guys, I'm totally okay. Like, I've had that happen to me like a couple of times on stream where I either like talk wrong, I think, or I kind of swallow wrong, or just like whatever. And then it's like, I need to cough. And like, I don't know. Like, people will think I'm like gonna die or something. Like, it's crazy. Is this Eugenia's twin sister? Maybe. Maybe the real Eugenia did die. Ooh, guys, I think I just heard wind. Do I hear wind? Let me see. Yeah, I'm a clone. Totally. The real one's gone. She coughed to death. Talking makes it worse too. It's rough. Exactly, Lori. Professor? It's like when you have those moments and like, you can't even talk. It just like makes it like the feeling even stronger. And it's like, I just want to like tell people like, I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm okay. And it's like, I can't. Oh, I'm fascinated by the wind because we're supposed to have really strong wind, you guys.